grab. We are on our way back to the port. We had a pretty good day out there. It's raining now a little bit, so yeah, we're gonna check out the shops in Cozumel and do a little shopping, I think. Anyways, we are back at the port, and we're just gonna check the shops on the way back to the ship. We got about, what time is it? It is
4:15.
4:15 ship time, and we are, all right, we're gonna check out, what is it?
Los 5 soles.
Yeah. So, let's see what kind of, oh, we gotta get a magnet. We gotta work on our magnet collection. Ooh, it's warm now in the sun. It has gotten warm. Look here. Some Christmas stuff out. Yeah, those are ours. What, Alexis want a mug?
Yeah.
Lots of different stuff here. It's kind of nice.
That's nice, right? Can I get her that one?
She might like that one.
I'll get her this one.
I mean, there's other shops too, but if you think that's one.
Yeah. If I see a better one, I'll keep this one for myself.
There you go, all kinds of drinkware. Oh, those are nice there. Oh, we got here. Oh, hot sauces. Oh, rum cakes. Need hats, they got hats. Yeah, it's got some cool stuff in here. It's kind of like an open air thing, but it's warm inside. You get a cup and then we'll hit some other stores and see what they got.
I'm gonna wait.
Didn't know I was standing there recording you, did I?
I'm doing like this. And then I looked at.
Oh, look at that. You guys got a show. Good job.
Wait, well, wait.
Yeah, anything else you want to try?
Yeah, this one.
Alright. Maracas. Alright, you're doing great. Alright, you got a little band.
Musician.
There you go. You got a little band going. You're good.
Yep.
Alright, just walking around the port area. We have the massage area. Okay. I'll take their word for it. And again, we have the Dream and our Breeze. I don't know if the Royal Ship is there. Yep, they're still there. But yeah, like I said, this is a nice little area. It's just has some beach chairs and nice palm trees. So yeah, we're just gonna start hitting some more shops and see. Not really on the hunt for anything in particular, just trying to see what anything unique to Cozumel we can grab. Alright, we're back from Cozumel. I'm a little red.
Just a little.
Are you red? You don't look too red.
Yeah,
I don't know. It didn't seem that, but it was nice. But we come back into awesome stuff. Bottle of champagne and what do you call this?
A whale tail?
Yeah, a little award thing from John
it's a
Heald.
medal.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. we never got one of those, so that's awesome to add to our collection. That was from John Hield. Super appreciate that very much.
That's awesome.
And we got my birthday, what is this? Oh, come on, grab it. There you go. And my $50 spa card and a $5 cherry on top, which I'm gonna go get some gummy stuff maybe, or some sour stuff. And our awesome room steward Marvin. Where's this thing at?
Marvin, right here.
Yeah, let's see. I want to put. He is pretty awesome. Yeah, that's Marvin is our steward on the Breeze, and he's he's been really awesome. We've had a few minor maintenance issues. No big deal. A couple of us in the rooms here, but he's always gotten them taken care of super quick. He brought us some robes because the girls wanted robes. And he does the room just so amazingly fast and great. We always we very rarely had a room steward who was not great. Once or twice we had one who was a little, not bad, but not the greatest. But he's really good. And we're only on what, day 2, 3, whatever it is. 3. Yeah. But that's good. But Cozumel was we had a great time. We finished up shopping. We found I don't have it. It's all wrapped up. We'll get it out later tomorrow. Yeah, some cool stuff we got. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So yeah, we're going to get cleaned up and then go to probably the Red Frog and get, the light in here sucks. And then probably get a picture of Blue Bahama. And then we're gonna hit dinner and the jacuzzi tonight, and who knows what else we'll get into. So we'll come back in a little bit, probably when we're at the Red Frog. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, take one step. No, we have to take one, but...
Hello.
Hi.
We had a nice dinner. We got cleaned up from Cozumel. We were going to film a review of Nachi Coco. I hope I'm saying it right. Is that right?
Nachi Coco.
No, yeah.
Nachi Coco.
Yeah. We'll probably film that tomorrow so we have it fresh in our minds. But overall, I enjoyed it a lot.
It was very nice, babe.
It was very nice. Didn't really have any issues to really complain about. A few little minor things, but that we'll just mention just so you'll know. But yeah, it was a good day. I enjoyed it. We'll do it again. So we are in the Ovation, front of the ship, waiting for the... What are we doing? I don't even know what we're doing.
Love and marriage.
Yeah, we're here to do that. So that's always a good time, no matter how many times we've seen it.
We're not here to do it. We're here to watch it.
I have tried many times to get her because I told her we could ace it perfectly. I'm telling you, we would win easy. It would not be a problem. Oh well. But anyways, we've seen it a bunch of times, but it's funny every single time. So yeah, we're gonna do that for a while, and then I think there's
the 80s boat party at 10:30.
Yeah, and before we left, we took a trip to the dollar store and bought like a ton of stuff, glow sticks and stuff. So we have like enough
necklaces,
for
bracelets.
Yeah, necklaces. Yeah, so we have enough for like everybody on the deck.
Yeah. Not everybody on the deck, but everybody.
Nice people. Yeah, it's been fun. Like I said, the ship it's been really kind of, what's the word? Quiet again. I know I mentioned it a few times, but yeah, it's been very mellow, which has been good. So yeah, it's fine. But yeah, that was about it. I think that's all we did, right? We're not missing anything. Yeah, so we're gonna watch this show and then we'll I guess we'll be back for the glow party, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We'll catch you guys in a little bit.
All right, that was number 6. We got 2 more to go. Gentlemen, this one goes to you first, gentlemen. This is always a fun one. Gentlemen, I want you to write down the name of your wife's most annoying family member. This is the part in the show where everyone who wanted to be up here is so happy they're not. All right, gentlemen, write down the name of your wife's most annoying family member. Right? Don't be shy about it. It's all right. Just go for it. Go for gold. Rip off the Band-Aid. Ladies, you write down who you think your husband is going to say, okay? So the gentleman is writing down the name in the English language, okay? We'll just go with the name only, the actual name. Sammy, what was her name? Tina. All right. Holly, what was her name?
Tina.
Your hashtags I cannot say on the microphone. Okay? Yours was like hers, but with a fantastic word before it. Something that makes people feel funny in a very different way. You, however... Okay, I want to say this the right way without anyone getting like upset. Let's just say this, his hashtag is if you see someone like, hey, I'll see you later, but this person he'd be seeing would be next Tuesday. If you don't get that, ask the person next to you, okay? All right, at least the name is matched. Hold on a second, all right? I want to make sure one thing's clear. You guys up there, there's the 6 of you on the railing. Guys, hi, how are you? Guys, hi, good to see you up there. Up top of deck 12, hi guys, how you doing? You all right? You guys? All right, look, we got the Backstreet Boys up top, all right? Just part of them. How about over here? Over here. Guys, you see me over there? Hi, blue shirt, good to see you up top. Good to see you. This is not a TV show, people, all right? This is not...